Hey, what's up everybody? This is the Helpful Hacker, and today we're going to be going over the starting out in cybersec room from TryHackMe. So we'll jump right in. What this room basically is going to cover, it's a basic intro to offensive, defensive security, and kind of how TryHackMe works. So TryHackMe is set up in It's organized, and in the way that it's organized is you have individual rooms, which is what we're in right now. So this starting out in cybersec, this is one room, and it has different tasks in it, and if you complete all those tasks, then you have completed this room. And rooms, if you add a handful of rooms together, for example, let's say we have 3 rooms that are all about offensive security. Then what that becomes is that becomes a module. And so you have a module called Introduction to Offensive Security, which TryHackMe has. And if you get a bunch of modules together in a career pathway, basically, and that's what they talk about right here. If you want more structured learning, they have entire learning paths for different careers or specialties. And a learning path is a bunch of modules that all relate to one thing. So for example, if you want to be a security analyst, they have a learning path to become a SOC analyst. If you want to be a penetration tester, they have a whole learning path, and they actually have multiple learning paths that will help you kind of do that. And then if you string multiple learning paths together, they have this thing called the roadmap. Anyways, but bottom line, all you need to know is just that TryHackMe is organized using rooms, modules, and learning paths. Learning paths are going to be the most structured way to learn on this platform. That will take you from 0 to wherever as far as learning, and it'll help you specialize if you want to do red teaming or blue teaming or whatever. So pay attention if you're just starting out in cyber, which if you're doing this room, you probably are. Pick a learning path, follow it. It'll help you out a lot. So we've read that, we can complete that, and that's task 1. Task 2, offensive security. So offensive security is basically, this is where you actually will attack an application or a network or whatever with permission to help find vulnerabilities in it. So here we can see, to help you build a broad knowledge set, we have a beginner pathway, right? So again, this is a pathway from TryHackMe. So they have, let me see if I can remember. I think if you want to get into blue teaming, you have the introduction to, or you have the pre-security, then you have the introduction to cybersecurity, then you have the complete beginner pathway, and then you have the junior penetration tester, and then that goes all the way up to red teaming. So those are the different pathways, and if you follow all those pathways, by the end you'll be way good at pen testing and all that stuff. So read through all this, make sure you understand a little bit about the different types of careers and what, offensive security is, where you're actually attacking, and then down to the question, what is the name of the character role that is legally, of the career role that is legally employed to find vulnerabilities in an application? That's going to be a penetration tester. So that's the answer to that. Now it's on to task number 3, defensive security. So defensive security, they're going to actually, their job is to fortify things, make sure a network's secure or an application can't be messed with, can't be broken, and all that good stuff. So you can read through that, and they do have a cyber defense pathway, and they also have a SOC level 1 pathway and a SOC level 2 pathway. So once you get your basics out of the way, you can kind of pick. You can either go the penetration tester route or the security analyst route. So that brings us to this question. What is the name of the role whose job is to identify attacks against an organization? That would be a security analyst. And with that, you have finished the starting out in cybersec room from TryHackMe. So now that you've done this, you got to check out the next room, which is going to be introductory to research. You can check that out on my channel, or you can just click the link on your screen. If you found this video helpful at all, give it a like and subscribe. It helps me out a ton.